people on.
Cowboy dance.
Yeah, there we go. Go ahead and mute that. Turn that all the way down. We don't need that. What's up, guys? It's a great day. It's a great rainy day today. Because we are on our way to get Dora her new tires. Yep, that's right. She's getting her new tires on today. They just got in, and I am heading to Tom and Dan's right now to go get them put on. And it's sprinkling a little bit. So we're out here on a donut, risking it for the biscuit. And pretty soon she's gonna have her some nice tires on the rear, and we will have completed the all new tires on Dora for 2020. And the Corvette. I got new tires for the Corvette this year too. Man, been a good year for the tire business for me. Or for them. Anyways, if you guys have any needs for tires like patches or anything, definitely check out Tom and Dan's here in South Hutch and talk to Sarah and Derek. They'll get you hooked up. Derek is a good old Mustang guy. Don't worry, he likes Chevys too. But they also do like oil changes, and I mean from semis to your normal cars. Eventually, when I get around to it, they're gonna hopefully order me some racing tires, get some slicks or some drag radials. Probably just drag radials, honestly, and then some skinnies for the front. And they're gonna be the ones that I order those through and get them put on when I get to that point. However, right now I'm actually have my turbo for sale. I know, sad day. The turbo is for sale. With how just with how life has been lately, we really could use the money, and the turbos really not do anything for me. Plus, before I even think about turboing the Corvette, I need to actually get a transmission, and now I need the harmonic balancer. So I need a whole pulley set basically. That's gonna cost me probably $1,000, and I'll probably be the one to try and put them on, because I mean, now that I'm home, I have time and I know where to get the tools. You just gotta go to AutoZone and rent them. So I think that's kind of the plan there with the Corvette. We're gonna be moving soon. That's something new that just happened recently. Not for sure when the move's gonna happen, but we know it's coming. So really looking forward to that, honestly. That's gonna take stress from like up here to bring it down about here, just in the housing department. You know, as you guys, some of you may be kids in high school or elementary even and not know, but once you hit adult life, man, rent and bills, and let me tell you, you guys are in for it. Don't worry, if I can get through it, you guys will get through it too. So anyhow, we're gonna cut to some clips of me at Tom and Dan's helping Derek. Well, okay, I'm not really gonna help Derek. I'm just gonna keep him company. Changing out the tires and getting them on. So let's cut to those clips. Well, if you guys enjoyed today's video on our trip to Tom and Dan's, please let us know down below. As always, big thumbs up, smash that button, destroy the subscribe button, help us get 726 more, I believe is all we need now to hit 1,000 by the end of 2020. And I know with your guys' help, that's a pretty nice looking Mustang. It's white and red. I know with your guys' help we can get there. So share this video, share your favorite video with your friends, even just the channel. Go ahead and share it with your family and friends. There goes a little Honda. I don't know if you guys heard it. It's kind of cute. Anyhow, we will catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day.